Introducing the Evolution cordless metal cutting chop saw. Insert the batteries and get straight to work. Delivering up to 400 cuts per charge based on repeated cuts through mild steel angle iron, helping keep you productive throughout the working day. Cold cut technology delivers clean, accurate cuts with less heat, less mess, and fewer sparks, allowing freshly cut material to be handled immediately after cutting. Adjustable clamping positions accommodate a wide range of material sizes and cutting angles, while the heavy-duty Acme thread vise secures material quickly and accurately, helping you work with confidence. Powered by Evolution's intelligent Evo Max motor, designed to maintain optimum blade speed under load, helping deliver consistent cutting performance and extending blade life by up to 30%. Combined with an Evolution Evo Max blade, it's built for demanding steel cutting applications. The integrated shadow line clearly indicates the path of the blade, helping you align every cut with confidence. When larger material needs to be cut, the generous cutting capacity comes into its own. With over 5 inches of cutting capacity, it handles large steel sections with ease. The integrated chip tray helps keep the workspace cleaner and empties in seconds. Master your metalworking with Evolution's cordless chop saw.